there. HubSpot has a lot of features, but there are a lot of things which are still desired by the community at large, and those features are being added at a nice pace by HubSpot. One of those features has just been added to HubSpot, which is the ability to add external pages to your marketing campaign inside HubSpot. This will come in handy to a lot of people, and let's see how you can do so today. So guys, in order to associate external web pages with a marketing campaign inside HubSpot, what you need to do is firstly go to marketing and then go to campaigns inside HubSpot. Once you do this, select the campaign for which maybe you want to add those external web pages to. And you need to ensure one thing is that you have access to those external web pages as well as you have access to the campaign which you want to edit. Once you are inside, click on the campaign and edit this campaign. When you click on edit campaign, there are options to add assets to the campaign. Here, there's an option to add an external website page. So you just add this inside your campaign and this asset can be added easily now. So put in the required details. Now, once you have added your external website page step, now click on add asset and here select your external website page which you want to add. So it could be any URL. Put in the URL which is the external website page, and that URL should have your HubSpot tracking code so as to ensure that everything is seamless. Once that is done, an external web page step is added over here. You can click on see all assets in order to see the assets inside your campaign, and you can see there is blog post. There is also an option for showing up the external website pages, and here it shows up. So this is how you can add external website pages inside your campaigns. And in order to see it even more differently, what you can do is go to marketing, then go to the new marketing hub. Here, all of your activity will be showing up. Here in the activity feed, you can see that my campaign was edited, and if I click on this campaign again, so we will be redirected to that page where we have the campaign, and here in the assets section, you can see that the external website that we had added is visible, and this is how it can be done easily. This was a very much in demand feature which was requested since a long time, and it's great to see it finally coming to HubSpot. So guys, I hope these steps were easy to follow, and now you can also add external web pages to your marketing campaign inside HubSpot. And now with your non-HubSpot web pages associated, the users can now track the performance of these pages directly from within HubSpot as well. There are benefits of having a centralized view of everything inside HubSpot, and that definitely helps with your marketing campaigns. So guys, if you need our help in order to build the dream project that you have been waiting on since a long time, then yes, absolutely, you can do so by scanning the QR code on the screen in front of you, or you can click on the link in the pinned comment below or in the description below, and I'll see you guys soon in the next video.